Thinking about trading with AvaTrade? Wondering if you can depend on them with your money? Well, you're exactly where you need to be. With over 80 brokers reviewed this year alone, we've identified the key factors that define a top-notch broker. So this is the only video you'll need to decide whether to trade with this broker or not. Let's tackle all the big questions together. Can you trust AvaTrade with your money? Are their trading fees and spreads competitive? How diverse is the selection of tradable instruments? We'll also provide a tour of AvaTrade's trading platforms. Lastly, we'll give you our honest take on AvaTrade. So stick around for the full scoop on AvaTrade. And hey, if you're eager to jump onto a specific section, just use the chapters feature below. Founded in 2006 and headquartered in Ireland, AvaTrade is an online CFD and spread betting broker that offers trading in Forex, cryptos, commodities, indices, stocks, bonds, and ETFs. They operate under 7 entities with 3 regulated by top-tier financial authorities. AvaTrade provides access to a wide selection of trading platforms and apps to choose from, such as MT4, MT5, WebTrader, AvaTradeGo, AvaOptions, and AvaSocial. Now, before we dive deep into the details, remember, if you're interested in checking out AvaTrade for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. So, is AvaTrade trustworthy? Let's take a closer look at the measures that they take to protect your money. AvaTrade has 7 worldwide entities licensed by global regulators: the CBI, Ireland; Australian ASIC, Japanese JFSA, FCSA of South Africa, ADGM Abu Dhabi, Israeli ISA, and the British Virgin Islands FSC. 3 out of them are top-tier regulators. What does this mean for you? Now, first off, every entity keeps your money in segregated accounts, completely separate from the company's own funds. The fact that your capital is always available provides a huge layer of safety. 6 of the entities offer a negative balance protection to prevent your account from going below 0. This is extremely helpful for protecting your funds in a black swan event. If you trade with the CBI regulated entity, there is an extra layer of security. Your funds could be covered up to 20,000 euros in case the broker runs into financial difficulty. Besides, AvaTrade has been around for over 18 years. They have plenty of experience in navigating the complex economic and regulatory landscapes to keep your funds safe and secure. We've awarded AvaTrade a solid trust score of 4.6 out of 5. Now, let's tackle AvaTrade's fees. How much will spreads and commissions actually cost you, and how do they stack up against the industry? Let's find out. We ran tests using the AvaTrade CFD account from its European-based entity, which includes spreads and swap rollover fees, but no commissions. To get a more balanced view, we ran these tests at the peak trading times in the London and New York trading sessions. What did we find? AvaTrade's trading fees are competitive, but not on all instruments. For example, Forex trading spreads on major and cross rates, such as euro to dollar and pound to yen, as well as spreads on commodities, were really competitive, beating the industry average. But when we look at indices, cryptos, and share CFDs, the spreads tend to match or exceed what others in the industry offer. There's also a $50 monthly inactivity fee if you haven't traded for 3 straight months. From our analysis, it looks like AvaTrade's pricing is particularly suitable for high-frequency trading on certain asset classes and longer-term trading, thanks to low swap charges. Based on these factors, we gave AvaTrade an above-average score of 4.3 out of 5 in this category. Now, let's check out the trading platforms offered by the broker. Finding the one that fits just right can be a game changer for your trading. AvaTrade offers an impressive selection of trading platforms and apps, catering to nearly every trading style and featuring a strong focus on copy trading. The lineup includes their own proprietary WebTrader, MetaTrader 4 and 5, AvaOptions, and DupliTrade, alongside mobile apps, AvaTradeGo and AvaSocial. WebTrader is great for traders at all levels, offering user-friendly charts, 80 indicators, 13 drawing tools, 9 timeframes, and built-in sentiment indicators. The Ava Options platform is specifically designed for Forex options traders. For those interested in copy trading, the Ava Social app is a perfect fit. Advanced traders may prefer the third-party, well-known MT4 and MT5 platforms, which offer more customizable features and automated trading capabilities. Plus, they can be seamlessly linked with WebTrader for copy trading and Trading Central for analytics and market insights. And that's still not all. AvaTrade also offers the Guardian Angel Suite, a risk management tool that integrates with MetaTrader platforms. Now let's take a look under the hood of AvaTrade's flagship WebTrader platform. This is a beginner-friendly, intuitive platform. So let's get started by highlighting 4 key sections: account statistics, watch lists, charts, and the vertical navigation bar. Watch lists allow you to easily track the live prices of your favorite instruments. You can also track trending instruments and instruments broken down by asset class. Now let's expand this panel and take a closer look at charting within the platform. WebTrader charts feature an excellent range of technical indicators. Let's add a couple here, and we can see that trading from the chart is also available. You can also tile charts into a grid format, which is a great way of staying on top of multiple markets at once. The vertical navigation on the left allows you to track your open positions, your pending orders, and your history of trades. And finally, live account holders can access trading signals from Trading Central and stay on top of breaking news via the news feed. AvaTrade also offers the popular MetaTrader 4 platform. The platform is made up of 4 major panels: Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, and Terminal. From the Market Watch panel, you can easily track the live prices of your favorite instruments. With a double click, you can open up the order ticket and you can drag an instrument over to view its chart. In the Navigator panel, you can alternate between different accounts, access custom indicators, and expert advisors for automated trading. MT4 charts are robust, with over 60 indicators and drawing tools. One-click trading and trading from the chart are also available. You can tile charts to view multiple markets at once. And I like that the platform is highly customizable in its layout. And finally, in the terminal panel, you can track your open positions, your market exposure, your history of trades, and you can also set price alerts. And here we have the AvaTradeGo mobile app. Like the web platform, it's well designed and beginner friendly. Under the watch list tab here, you can tap any instrument to pull it up, and we can see that trading from the chart is available. I like that you can expand the charts to full size. The search tab makes it easy to quickly pull up any instrument. Under the Balance tab, you can easily track your P&L and other key account statistics. Next to that, you can view your open positions and pending orders. And in the final section, you can access useful tools like educational videos and an economic calendar. And our score for AvaTrade's platforms and tools is a strong 4.6 out of 5. Finally, to make the most of the market's opportunities, you need a broker that offers a wide array of markets to trade on. AvaTrade presents a solid lineup of markets. They offer over 600 shares CFDs across the USA, Canada, UK, and Europe. There are also 53 Forex pairs, 19 commodities, and 34 indices. A particularly unique feature is their 64 options contracts for Forex, indices, and commodities, a standout offering not commonly provided by other brokers. Overall, we rated the range of tradable instruments at AvaTrade with an above average score of 4.5 out of 5 for this category. In just a moment, we'll share our verdict on AvaTrade, but first, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our broker analyst crew is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing Forex brokers for 12 years now. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex brokers, giving us a deep understanding of the industry to compare and evaluate them effectively. All right, let's summarize AvaTrade's offering. First off, AvaTrade is well regulated around the world and has been in business since 2006. Clearly, they offer long-term stability and important regulatory safeguards. When it comes to platforms, AvaTrade offers 7 options across web, desktop, and mobile devices, including MT4, MT5, AvaWebTrader, Ava Options, WebTrader, AvaTradeGo and AvaSocial. This range caters to all experience levels and styles. Traders also have access to a broad selection of over 840 markets covering Forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, bonds, cryptos, commodities, and Forex options. And one more highlight is AvaTrade's especially competitive spreads on Forex pairs. So, are there any downsides? Well, their spreads for most asset classes are in line with the industry average, which is decent. Yet for a broker that excels in almost every other category, we anticipated AvaTrade would offer more competitive fees. There's also a $50 monthly inactivity fee after 3 months of no trading activity, which is relatively high. Finally, who benefits the most from AvaTrade? AvaTrade is an excellent choice for beginner and advanced Forex traders. Spreads on Forex pairs beat the industry average, and there are 0 commissions. Beginner traders will enjoy the WebTrader platform and range of mobile apps, as they are all user-friendly and packed with useful features. There is also a comprehensive suite of educational materials that you should 100% check out. Advanced traders will enjoy the more advanced MT4 and MT5 platforms, which offer more customizable features and automated trading capabilities. Don't forget about the possibility of linking your AvaTrade account to copy trading platforms, AvaSocial, and DupliTrade. It could result in extra revenue stream if you get enough followers. And finally, AvaTrade is also well suited for day trading and position trading thanks to its low swaps. In our evaluation, we awarded the broker an overall score of 4.6 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. And there you have it, our take on AvaTrade. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website, share your thoughts, comment with any questions about AvaTrade, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.